Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by making sure you have the right access and the files identified. Open Finder and navigate to the folder holding the items you want to remove. That avoids accidental deletions. Once there, preview files with spacebar or quick look so you delete the correct versions. Make sure any external drive is mounted. If not, plug it in and wait until it appears in the sidebar. This initial verification saves time and prevents lost work. Now move the files to the trash to stage them for deletion. Select one or many items, use Shift or Command to modify your selection, and press Command-Delete or drag to the trash icon. This is reversible until you empty it. If a file is locked, open Get Info, uncheck Locked, and try again. Once done, you'll see the file in trash and can review it. This intermediate step prevents accidental permanent deletion and lets you confirm freeable space before finalizing. To finish, empty the trash. Choose Finder Empty Trash or press Option Command Delete for immediate removal. Afterward, check about this max storage to confirm space freed. If a file won't delete, make sure it's not in use, quit apps, or restart. If permission errors persist, use Get Info to adjust sharing and permissions, or, as a last resort, remove stubborn files with terminal. Sudo rm ref followed by the path. Be careful, terminal deletes permanently. That tip solves most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.